Hi Keith, quick demo of the race box connected with a 3.5mm jack to my Sure safety box. Race is ready to go on a fast countdown, lights are connected, no horn apart from the audio from the tablet, and I've got my remote, so I'm going to walk away from it. So I'll press green. That's the pre-start. I'm not sure if you can hear the countdown, but so that's class up. Class down. Prep up. Sorry about the autofocus on the X7. Prep down, and race start in a minute. I don't know if you can see the tablet and see that it's got the start. I'm going to do an individual recall, which I press blue. Away it goes. Press white. That clears the individual recall. Okay, and away we go. So when we get to, I'm going to go in a bit because I'm not trying to test range now. So when we get to the lead boat going around the final mark, I press green again, and in our case I trigger shorten because that's what we use all the time. And now the interesting bit, if I zoom on the screen, you might be able to see that when I press green again, it triggers a quick horn, and it's created this pseudo racer with a 1 against it. I'll press it again. 2, 3. Okay, so now when I press red to end the race, it will save that and reset. It says hope. There we go. So it's back to where it was, and as I say, it's saved the results, and I can edit it. I found that I can cut and paste the times pretty quickly as well. I still have to delete manually the other bits. So that's it. So I'll just do a quick start again and do an abort start just to show you. So the lights are flashing. You can hear the relays. If I press white, it'll clear it. Okay, so there you go. So hopefully I'm going to try that out tomorrow. See you later.